Hello and welcome to Azariah's Studio. My name is Sarah. I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Studio. I'm going to show you how to work the make one left and make one right increases. If you would like to follow along, here are the instructions for the swatch. I am working with a swatch that is slightly larger than what you have. It was a swatch that I had laying around, and instead of making another swatch, I decided to use this one. We're just going to go ahead and knit 2 stitches. At the first make one, you take this needle, you go from front to back into the bar between the 2 stitches. You place it on the needle and knit it through the front loop. And you can see it leans this way. Now let's knit 2 stitches and try it again. Front to back on the needle, knit it through the front loop. You see which way it's leaning. All right, we're going to knit 4 stitches this time. All right, make one other direction. Going to use this needle this time. Front to back, this needle through the back loop. You see which direction the stitch is leaning. Knit 2 stitches. This needle, front to back, through the back loop. And that is how you work a make one increase. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, be sure to like and subscribe. If you have more questions, you can always email me, Sarah@azariahsfiberarts.com, or drop a comment below. Happy making!